How do I calculate VAT on gold purchases? To calculate VAT on gold purchases in UAE, you need to follow these steps. First, you need to determine whether the gold purchase is subject to zero rating or reverse charge mechanism. Zero rating applies to investment-grade precious metals with at least 99% purity or in the form of tradable bullion. Reverse charge mechanism applies to gold and diamond products that do not qualify for zero rating. Second, if the gold purchase is subject to zero rating, you do not need to pay any VAT on it. However, if the gold purchase is subject to reverse charge mechanism, you need to account for the VAT on it as the recipient. Third, you need to add a 5% VAT rate to the total value of the gold and making service charge. For example, if you buy a gold item worth AED 10,000 and pay a making service charge of AED 500, your total value is AED 10,500 and your VAT amount is AED 525. Tulpar Taxation, your tax-paying partner.